today at 1-888-736-2298.
Now on 12, from the shelter to an illegal apartment, one local woman says she feels like the city forced her to move into a place with subpar living conditions. And authorities are still investigating why a Bronx man shot himself in the head in the back seat of a yellow cab. Plus, police arrest 2 suspects in connection to a hit and run on the Cross Bronx Expressway that left a 66-year-old man dead. And a Muslim Bronx woman shaken after she says Playland employees asked her to remove her hijab. Why a Playland spokesperson says its employees were right in asking the woman to remove her scarf. And we're also going to take a look at your hyperlocal weather. It's all coming up. Thanks for joining us here at News 12 The Bronx. I'm Kristie Reeter. Well, out of the frying pan and into the fire, one Bronx woman left the shelter system for a better home, one that she just found out is illegal, and she claims negatively affecting her child's health. News 12 The Bronx reporter Anthony Carlos spoke with the tenant